tukigira thini wa cai our own William Kabogo ni gakiria kanini kabufaro kanini
buffalo
kabufaro kanini our own William Kabogo ni aretetwo vetting
haya congratulations
na ranyithania bururi ni araheo wira no ruma namba kumuria atiriri William Kabogo mheshimiwa what is your net worth ahorerete arabia gucokia residential I have 700 billion
million
movable assets 40 million land and farm 756 million pardon your honor 766 million cash at hand 64 million interest and shares 1.5 billion that is a total of 3.01 billion your honor Reure Junet Mohammed mreketa na thutha marona aga odaragweta indo ciake ciothe maramura moving assets that's car but sir we heard that you even have a chopper thank you Junet I had a chopper when I was young I used to fly a chopper when going to the shops. When going to the market, I was sent by my mother. But finally, I sold it. So moving asset is 40 million, as I said. Makia done dainiri. Kabo mwanake ali na chopper.
Idare ajoru ya kothi.
Na kiuga ahatagira mburi.
No ende agurire chopa agetha kura cia juja hanera riganeirwo hau
ngocia nera riganeirwo arauga ari nayo mwanake
akara agetha kura cia juja kire mwanake
uri watwari gwatiriri mwanake ndanagweta campaign handu athiaga nayo nduka atomago apago tangera iria athia karumia chopa
asa goko ne igiri ari na chopa ya gweka siasa kogo do what definition ya mwanake ni kuga no aragire tene worth how much
the 3.01 billion
you believe so it could be 10 times more
ona maraugire ni more
20 million hihi 20 billion
Junet ni maramakire to maramuragia atiriri akire na ngari imwe tu ya 40 billion